Your next superset is bicep curls with an overhead press combined with a slow motion burpee. So for the bicep curl and overhead press, you'll want lighter weights, somewhere between 8 and 12 pounds probably. Alrighty, for the bicep curl, overhead press, start in an athletic position with your feet about hip width apart, your knees soft. Rotate so that your palms are facing forward. Keep your core braced, curl, then rotate your palms face out and press overhead. Slowly lower, unwind. So palms forward, rotate, press, unwind. Keep going. You'll do 12 to 15 of these. So we're working your biceps as well as your shoulders, a little bit of core as the weight moves above your waist and overhead. Being mindful of your shoulders, of course. They're probably going to be the weak link here, I'm imagining. So work with your shoulders in mind. So do what works best for your shoulders, and we'll worry about your biceps a little bit later if we need to. So 12 to 15. Good. And then we're going into a slow motion burpee. So for this, you may know a burpee, but we're going to do it slowly, and we're going to let you bend your knees a little more. So you're going to hinge forward, and you'll bend your knees as much as you need to walk forward into your plank. Lower your knees, push up, come back to your plank, bend your knees, walk in, and reach. Hinge, bend, walk, knees to floor, push up, high plank, walk in, stand and reach. You'll do this 20 to 30 seconds, so maybe 5 of them. So you'll repeat your bicep curl with overhead press along with your slow motion burpee 1 or 2 additional times for 2 to 3 supersets. And then you'll rest again for 30 to 90 seconds before you go on to your final superset.